Are you ready for the field trip?
Yes!
Rule number 1 for bus behavior. Board the bus in order.
I'm late!
Rule number 2. Arrive early so you don't miss the bus. Rule number 3. Check if everyone is present. Mimi, here. Dee Dee,
Here!
Theo,
Yoo-hoo!
Benny,
Ah.
Felix,
Present.
and Eddie. Eddie? Eddie, we're doing attendance.
Eddie, here!
Everyone is present. Let's go.
It's me again.
Rule number 4. Everyone must be buckled up. Eddie. Rule number 5. Do not eat or litter on the bus.
Sorry.
Eddie, you shouldn't litter on the bus or out of the bus.
Sorry.
It's all right. You didn't know.
Well then, we've arrived at the museum. Rule number 6. Check that you haven't forgotten anything.
Yes!
Now let's go to the museum. And now we'll see how well you remember the rules. Mimi will check them.
Yeah!
Rule number 1. Enter the bus in order. Second rule. Come early and check if everything is in place. Dee Dee, Theo, Felix, Benny, and Benny. Next rule. Fasten your seatbelt.
Yeah!
No eating or littering on the bus. And check if you haven't forgotten anything.
Eddie!
Huh?
Backpack!
Everything is ready. Great. We can go home now.
Yay!
Ready or not, here I come. I see you, Theo. Come out. Where's Dee Dee? They're taking forever. Oh, Dee Dee? That's not Dee Dee. It's not?
Dee Dee got so red in the sun that his friends didn't even recognize him.
Theo, it is Dee Dee. He's just sick. Phew. Okay, I'm just sick. Wait, what? I'm sick? I think so, but don't worry, Dee Dee. Let's go see Dr. Wolf and find out what's wrong. I don't want to. I'll just wait for you guys here. Don't be scared. Dr. Wolf is nice. Hi, Dr. Wolf. Dee Dee is sick. He's all red.
Hi, kids. Let's see what's going on. Dee Dee, have a seat. Open up and say, ah.
Huh?
Great. Now, wait a sec. I'll be right back.
Yay! Dee Dee, you're turning green. Wow! It must be this magic wand. It made you change colors. What if?
Looks like Mimi and her friends are about to go on an imagination adventure.
Let's give this a shot. Ta-da! Whoa! The sun is red. Mimi, can I try? The sky is yellow. Wow! I want to try. The grass is blue. Yay! I am Dee Dee, the great and terrible. I'm Magic Mimi. I'm Theo the Wizard. Bibbidi. Bobbidi. Boo! Yay! Yay! Magic!
Okay, Dee Dee, let's see what we got. Oh, it looks like you were in the sun for a long time. Have some water.
Dr. Wolf, this magic wand turned Dee Dee from red to green.
Mimi, that's not a magic wand. It's a thermometer. I use it to help me determine if someone is sick or not. You see, when someone gets sick, their body starts fighting the infection, which makes the overall body temperature go up. This line here on the thermometer shows the temperature. If the temperature is higher than the norm, that means the patient has a fever. So, you should take medicine and drink lots of water.
Yay! Yoo-hoo!
But Dee Dee's temperature is normal. He's red because he overheated in the sun.
Yay! I'm healthy. Thank you, Dr. Wolf.
You're welcome, Dee Dee. But kids, remember, playing in the sun for too long is dangerous. Be sure to spend plenty of time in the shade.
Of course. We'll just play at my house. Bye, Dr. Wolf. Bye.
Be safe.
The friends are having a great time at Dee Dee's house. He has so many toys. They're seeing who can build a taller tower.
Dee Dee's is taller. Huh. No, mine is. Oh, no. Yay! I win. My tower is taller. Oh. Mimi, Theo, quit laughing. Let's go to bed. It's late. Okay. Dee Dee, good thing we're sleeping over. Yeah, we gotta clean up first. Why? We're gonna play again tomorrow. Nothing is gonna happen to our toys. Oh, that's what you think.
Whoa! What's Mimi imagining this time?
Whoa, this whole city is made of blocks. What a tall tower. Let's go. Mimi, Theo, look. That house looks like mine. Yeah, it does. Mimi, that one looks like yours. No, mine's way prettier. What's happening? It's shaking. The blocks are falling.
It's an earthquake! Mimi, Theo, Dee, get out of here!
Oh no! Look out! So much laundry! Theo! Dee! Hold on! Theo! Where's Mimi? Mimi! I'm here! We have to get out of here! Let's go! I can't move! Help! Grandma! Phew! Grandma saw we nearly drowned! Of course. Just look at this mess. You need to clean up. Okay, Grandma. They don't want to be cleaned up. Maybe they like being on the floor? No, that's not right. Everything just has its own place. Stuffed animals go in the baskets. They'll stay clean there. Blocks go in a box with a lid, so they don't get lost. Clothes get hung up in the closet. That way, they won't get wrinkled or dusty. And scarves and mittens go in the drawers, so they'll be easy to find. That's how you keep your room tidy. And we don't step on any more toys. Now we'll know where everything is. It's beautiful. You should always take care of your things. Now, give me a hug.
The kids had a great time cleaning up. Now they can relax. Tomorrow's going to be another busy day of having fun. Today, Mimi, Theo, and Dee are enjoying some yummy donuts that Dee grandma made.
Dee, your grandma is amazing. These donuts are so yummy. They are really good, but I have a question. Why do donuts have holes in them? Probably to save dough. No, it's to make them easier to hold. See? No, Dee Dee. I could bite my finger off.
Wow! Look, Mimi has an amazing idea.
Dee Dee, Theo, donuts have holes so that... we can see what a yummy place the world is. Look, donut glasses. Hey, Theo, don't eat the whole thing. Don't worry, Mimi. I can swim. Cherry ice cream. I have pistachio. Orange, my favorite. Oh, I hope my mom and dad didn't turn into cookies. Phew. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Hi, kids.
What are you kids up to? The donuts are all over the place.
Oh, we'll clean it up. Grandma, why do you put holes in donuts? So you use less dough, right?
Of course not, sweetie. It's pretty simple, kids. The donuts just cook faster if they have a hole in them. Plus, it helps them keep their shape. Now, can you help me decorate the donuts with glaze? What color do you want?
I want green.
Orange.
I'll go for pink. Wow. Yeah. This is still the best way to eat them.
What a sweet trip into the world of donuts. Now, the kids know exactly why donuts have holes. And they even helped Dee Dee's grandma. Great job, kids.
And here's your lunch. You need to eat vegetables. Carrot improves your vision. Potato makes you stronger. Broccoli helps you to grow.
We will gain powers like heroes if we eat vegetables. Woohoo! Yeah!
Yay!
Huh?
Yay! Yes. Uh-oh.
Yes! Yeah!
Huh? I need to buy vegetables.
Thank you, vegetable heroes.
Yeah!
Oh, did you change your mind?
Yes, vegetables make us stronger. We will now eat more vegetables.
What great news.
I'm so sleepy.
Kids, your attention, please.
Excuse me, kids. We have a new student.
Say hello.
Hi, Benny. Now you say hi, Benny. Benny, don't be shy. Hello. Sit wherever you like and tell us about yourself. Hi, I'm Mimi. Here, take mine. I have plenty. Thank you. Oh, no problem. These are my friends. I'm Theo. I'm Dee Dee. Let's play superheroes together. I can fly. Whee! I can jump really high. Woohoo! And I can turn invisible. Yeah, boy. We have to help him. Yeah! Stop! Here's Deanie. Gotcha! Don't touch him! He's our friend! Let's trade. By the way, I'm Benny. We know.